Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to add integers using multiple strategies. An integer is a negative or positive number used to represent a real-world situation. Positive integers can be used to represent the height of a tall mountain. Negative integers can be used to represent the depth of the deep ocean. Now that we've reviewed integers, I'm going to teach you some strategies on how to add them. The first strategy I'm going to teach you is how to add integers using a number line. Let's start out with the problem -3 plus 4. Place a dot at -3, and then we're going to move 4 units in the positive direction, to the right, to -2, -1, 0, and finally to 1, which is the answer to -3 plus 4. Another strategy used to add integers are integer chips. Yellow chips are used to represent positive integers, and red chips are used to represent negative integers. For positive 5, put out 5 yellow integer chips. To represent -2, put out 2 red chips. A red chip and a yellow chip together form 0, or a 0 pair, which is highlighted by the gray box. In this example, there are 2 0 pairs. Since they make 0, we can remove them from the problem, which leaves us with 3 yellow chips, or positive 3. We looked at how to add a negative and a positive number together using integer chips. Let's look at how to add 2 negative numbers together using integer chips. To solve the problem -1 plus -4, put out 1 red chip for -1 and 4 red chips for -4. Since there are no 0 pairs to remove, all you have to do is count how many red chips you have. You have 5 red chips, so the answer is -5. Now that you've learned some strategies for adding integers, let's try some practice. There are several websites that have lots of games that'll help you practice your new skills. Now that you've learned how to add integers using multiple strategies, I'm going to show you a couple games so you can practice online or on your iPad by yourself. The first game I want you to try is called Orbit Integers. Once you start the game will have you practice multiple questions involving integers. Some are easy, and some are more difficult. The faster you answer the questions correctly, the faster your spaceship moves. What's really cool about this game is it lets you see your results, your accuracy, and any questions that you missed so you can practice. If you like this game, hit play again. Or I have some other options. Fruit Splat is another game that you could try for adding integers. Choose a level, and then you can decide which kind you want to play. In this game, you're going to match the fruit to the problem that you see on the screen. Again, some of the problems are easy and some are harder. This game will also tell you how you did at the end and allow you to play again and change the settings if needed. The last game I'm going to recommend for you is called Spider Match. In this game, you have to find 2 integers that will add together to make the number in the center. It's more challenging because you have to make your own problem faster than the other people playing. You can add 2 positives, a negative and a positive, or in some cases 2 negatives. Make sure you move faster than your opponents. I hope you like some of the games you just saw and are ready to get started. The links will be posted on Google Classroom so you can access them easily. Get practicing! Good work today! Goodbye!